to our VirtuaLaw Legal Analysis series. In today's episode, we will discuss the case of Manila Electric Company v. Yatco, G.R. number 45697. This landmark case was decided by the Supreme Court of the Philippines on November 1, 1939. Let's dive right into it. Facts. Manila Electric Company, Meralco, is a domestic corporation that insured its real and personal properties situated in the Philippines with two foreign insurance companies. The City of New York Insurance Company and the United States Guarantee Company. The insurance contracts were executed in New York City and the premiums were paid in New York. The insurance companies did not have any agents or representatives in the Philippines. The collector of internal revenue assessed and levied a tax of 1%, on the premiums paid by Meralco to the foreign insurance companies. Meralco challenged the tax assessment, arguing that the Commonwealth of the Philippines does not have the power to tax insurance premiums paid by a domestic corporation to foreign insurance companies. Issue: whether the Commonwealth of the Philippines has the power to tax insurance premiums paid by a domestic corporation to foreign insurance companies. Ruling: the Supreme Court held that the Commonwealth of the Philippines does have the power to tax insurance premiums paid by a domestic corporation to foreign insurance companies. The court reasoned that the insurance contracts in this case had substantial elements that were situated in the Philippines. For example, the insured properties were situated in the Philippines, the risks insured against were also situated in the Philippines, and certain incidents of the contracts, such as the payment of dividends and the settlement of losses, were to be attended to in the Philippines. The court also held that even if the tax imposed on Meralco would ultimately be passed on to the foreign insurance companies, it would still be valid. This is because the foreign insurance companies, by entering into the contracts with Meralco, had subjected themselves to the taxing jurisdiction of the Philippines. The court concluded that it would be a discrimination against domestic corporations to hold the tax valid when the policy is given by them and invalid when issued by foreign corporations. Significance: the Manila Electric Company v. Yatco case is a landmark decision. It established the power of the Philippine government to tax insurance premiums paid by domestic corporations to foreign insurance companies. This decision has been cited in subsequent cases involving the taxation of insurance premiums. The decision is significant because it clarifies the scope of the Philippine government's taxing power and protects the interests of domestic corporations. That's all for this episode. What do you think about the topic? Feel free to comment and suggest what topic you want us to discuss on the next video. Stay tuned for more legal insights in our future episode. Remember, understanding landmark case helps us comprehend the intricacies of our legal system. See you next time. Like and subscribe.